What is up, YouTube? Fire to the 196 here. So today, we finally got our Tusk off-road parts. And I'm gonna give you guys a little like unboxing type thing. Maybe I'm gonna try to get this. Oh yeah, about right there. Let's see. Yeah. Tucker, shut up. He ran away. Our dog ran away, guys. Tucker, move. Come on. Okay. So, here. Actually, Tucker, you record. Okay, get right here. Okay. Don't push anything. Alright. Maybe. Alright, so. What the heck, why is this so difficult? Okay. This is what they look like for right now. So guys, I'm gonna put the netting on them, and I'll see you guys after I put the netting on them. Okay guys, so I finished the nets, but I'm not gonna show you guys until I start putting on the quad, because I'm actually gonna do this first. So it takes a 12 millimeter for this bolt right here. There's this bolt right here, which I already took out. This bolt, and then there's two down here. So let's do this one first. It's a little hard. Oh, I'm tightening. What the heck? What am I doing? No wonder. And then I'm just gonna keep them like loose, like still in there. That way the whole thing doesn't just fall when I do it. So good put. Take that out. And then we're gonna take, I'm gonna grab it, this 14 milliliter. And we're gonna put that on it. And then we're gonna take this out. Ugh. Oh, this is hard. Well, almost got it, actually. Actually, let's do this one, because it looks like it's just this part's gonna fall off. Yeah. Oh, yeah, it broke right there. Forgot about that. These are a little stiff. How do I do it with my left hand? Has Loctite on it, so that's why. And there's that bolt for that. And now let's finish taking this one off. Oh, actually, no, I take this. Oh, wait, duh. I need to put the 12 milliliter back on it. Shoot. Alright, let's try this. Kind of hard to use one hand. Not really with these, but to crack them loose with these just a little bit. Alright. Now I should just be able to pull this loose. And there's that. Now what we're gonna do with this, throw it away. Okay, now let's go back to this. Oh, I almost cracked the screen. Ugh. Actually, here we go. these off once because I had the same Nerf bars, but the other Nerf bars I got first were for 450R. But I finally got the right ones this time, and I made sure. So, and they're about $212 for the ones I got. Let's see if I can use my fingers this time. Okay. Oh, all right. Same with this. We're just gonna throw it away. Now I'll see you guys when I start. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side, and then I'll see you guys when I put the. See you guys when I put the Nerf bars on. Okay. All right, guys. So I'm almost done. It's the last thing. Right. And I have to make this nice and tight. All right. So that is that. But I need to do one more thing. Tucker, can you hold the camera? All right. So, oh wait, nope. I need to loosen this for a second. Jason, you need to get off for a second. Oh.
I'm understanding this.
So, I'm gonna put a washer on this bolt, and then right here is a hole that goes right through that.
Oh, jeez!
Get the nut in
You
there.
bumped into the camera.
And then, Tucker, don't talk that much. And then, Jason, no. Do that. And then I take a 12mm wrench, and then I take a 13mm socket. Jace, you're kicking both. No, it's fine. Sorry, guys. And put this under there. This right here. Let's go at it. Oops. So then you do this. And I like to push it all the way up there. That way it could get nice and whatever. Oh, and also we found our dog, by the way. He was like 2 miles away. Anyway, I'm almost done with this. Tucker, show him the other side how it looks. And talk to him how it looks.
I don't know how to talk to them.
Just say something about it.
So you see this is all like bumpy.
Yeah,
And you can't. Yeah, this is like a net.
yeah, but
not-
we can't.
it's not-
We can't step on it too much.
Yeah, we can't even step on it. And this is
All right, and come back over here.
okay.
And this is the thingy.
Now I'm gonna tighten that. There we go. Now, let me see this.
Okay.
I think it's all good.
It looks
Hey, Tucker, film for a second. You're gonna go down by the basketball hoop.
okay.
I'm going for a test ride.
I don't want it to be too bumpy. I'm going in the grass.
Yeah, me too.
If you could see very closely, you might be able to see him.
That now he's coming down the hill.
He's right there.
What are you doing
I'm
there?
pretty sure you guys already know.
I think. Wait, where is it?
He's just taking it for a little test drive, Jace.
I can't see him. Can you? Can they?
Nope.
And then he's gonna come out
Look
like
into the camera. It looks so far. It looks like he's like. He looks like he's like.
I'm going faster now.
Not really.
Well, not really.
He just drifted.
Yep. He's just taking it for a test drive.
Mhm.
I'll help you because be careful. Whoa, he did a burnout.
Oh, really? Big one, nice one. Guys, you shouldn't do that, okay? You could blow the engine, and that's bad.
So guys, we went on 2 test rides because I had a loose bolt. Always make sure of that. But I'm gonna show you guys something. That was a good wheelie, actually. Was that a good wheelie?
Mhm.
Yeah, and yeah,
painted
this
it.
part won't really line up.
Sorry, guys.
Ah. Whew. All right. So this
Eddie,
bolt right here won't line up, right? So, and I don't really want to bend my fenders.
Tell him you painted.
So yeah,
Tell him that.
make sure they already know that. Make sure you guys subscribe. Turn all post notifications on. Till next time, peace.